Hi, my name is Dr. Eric Miller with Chiro-Med Health Wellness Centers located in Orland Park, Illinois. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome the newest addition to our physician staff, Dr. Michael Hartlett. Dr. Mike has been treating patients in the northern suburbs for the past 8 years. His specialty is treating patients with musculoskeletal and nerve-related ailments. How you doing, Dr. Mike?
Good. How are you?
Very good, very good. We're going to do a video today that's basically going to be an introductory video for you. I want to start out by asking you about 5 different questions, okay? The first question is going to be relating, what kind of experience do you have as a treating physician?
Well, as a treating physician, I've been in practice for 8 years. I've had some specialty in operating room as a surgical assistant in 4 different ORs in the Chicago and Rockford area. I've been board certified in chiropractic and physical therapy. And I've been practicing with chiropractic and physical therapy alongside medical doctors for the past 8 years.
Very good. What actually got you interested in practicing chiropractic to begin with?
Really, where I got interested in chiropractic and really the field of physical medicine was my mother was diagnosed with cancer and had been sick with cancer for 10 years. What I saw her go through was she had to go to this doctor for one thing, a different doctor for another thing, and basically that filled her whole week. And I thought it would just be a great idea to help combine those efforts of different physicians with different specialties in one location to make it logistically easier for most patients to receive the quality of care that they're really looking for all in one simple location.
That sounds great. What is your purpose as a chiropractic physician?
Really, as a purpose, my drive is really just to kind of help people get out of pain. A lot of that ties to seeing my mother go through pain with cancer, and really, I just have a really tender spot for just helping people that are in pain and helping them get out of that and get back to a higher quality of life.
Really sorry to hear about your mother like that. Did she have any success with chiropractic treatment, or?
She did. That really helped alleviate a lot of symptoms that she had from the cancer she was diagnosed with. She had metastatic breast cancer for about 10 years. And really that ended up giving her lots of different symptoms with lots of different health issues over those 10 years. And I saw chiropractic as well as some natural remedies that really kind of helped alleviate a lot of her symptoms, along with some complementary medicine, just regular medicine that her doctor would give her, along with chiropractic and herbal supplements, as well as diet modification and health exercise changes.
Very good. Let's talk about one of our specials this coming up month. And the specials are going to relate to neck and lower back pain. Why would anybody come to a chiropractic physician as far as seeking help for neck or low back pain?
Well, the one thing I really love about our clinic is we actually combine chiropractic and physical therapy, which, according to the research, actually helps get a higher success rate than some of the more common, shall we say, medical systems out there. When it comes to treating back pain or neck pain, there is a success with that. It does work with a lot of patients. However, there's actually a higher statistical average of success with just more conservative treatments like chiropractic and physical therapy alone.
Exactly. Yeah, I think that chiropractic is actually deemed the most effective treatment for lower back and neck pain, period. It's really better than anything else.
Yeah.
What kind of successes have you witnessed as a treating physician?
Some successes that I've witnessed as a patient was really, I remember my first patient, Phil was his name, and great guy. You wouldn't know it when he came in the door the first time I met him, but he was actually about 6'5", and he was hunched over pretty bad in a lot of pain and really wanted to get back to teaching his grandkids how to play basketball. After working with him for a few months, we actually were able to dismiss him as a patient and follow up with him just to make sure that he was maintaining those corrections on his own. But really was the most influential point in my career when I first started, and seeing this patient get out of pain and having a grown man kind of just sob because he had his life back and was able to play basketball with his grandkids again. That was the biggest success I ever had.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I love to see those kind of successes.
Yeah.
What makes you different? This is time to, to your own horn. What makes you different than other DCs?
I would say I really focused more on the chiropractic and physical therapy. When I was going through my schooling, I saw a lot of chiropractors go into, supplements and acupuncture, but I really love sports athletes working with young people or more mature individuals where they still want to maintain a healthy activity level. I'm definitely one of those athletes that never gave up on sports and continued that through college and even afterwards. And I love living a very active lifestyle, doing triathlons, 5Ks, 7Ks, marathons, you name it. I love doing that stuff. And I really like to push myself physically to make sure I can continue to push myself. I need that help with chiropractic and physical therapy. And I think my passion for those healthy activities really allows me to kind of add a little bit more to everyone else's lifestyles when they want to pursue those things as well.
Exactly. I know that you use chiropractic yourself and you're treated regularly.
Absolutely. I actually grew up with chiropractic. There's 6 different providers in my family, and well, let's say the holidays are a good time to get treated.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for the interview, Doc. I'm sure you're going to do very well in this setting, and I look forward to working with you.
Excellent. Looking forward to meeting everyone.